If you're watching this video, you have already taken your first step towards your salon success. Congratulations. As salon owners, have you ever tried running a campaign like promotions, offers, discounts, reminders, thinking that it's going to be an irresistible offer for your customers, but still the results are very poor? You know why? This is because of poor customer segmentation. So it's like selling in earphones to our customers who are deaf. Are you ready for the next step? For the business you dreamed of, the clients you need, and the success you're looking for, all just one campaign away. It doesn't really matter whether you have a salon software or not. We have got it all covered for you. When you register for this workshop, you will be getting 1 month of Salon standard subscription plus 3 amazing perks, which includes your growth calculator, customer acquisition, cost calculator, and also the success readiness scorecard. Hurry up, this offer is available only for the first 100 signups. See you soon. Thank you so much.